Hi everybody, it's Cassie with Elusive Exclusives, and yes, I look regular. I look regular today. However, I'm going to be doing a how-to video on my product as opposed to any facial makeup right now. I created a product last year around September timeframe after I played around with ingredients in my bathroom for several months, and I finally came up with something that worked for my head, ironically. And then I was like, I wonder if this works for other people's head, and I sent it to a couple of friends, and they were like, it works. So I decided, I was like, I need to get this out because there's a lot of people with my same texture that are struggling in the natural hair regimen. I have type 4B predominantly with a little bit of 4A mix, so it's very tough. And I also have low porosity hair, meaning I can't take too much protein in my hair, or it does the exact opposite of strengthening. It actually makes my hair dry and brittle. So I created something that just not only sits on low porosity hair strands, it actually works to give you a more defined pattern, moisture. A couple of ladies that reviewed this product were in areas that they were talking about having excessive dryness no matter what they used. So this product did help them combat that effectively. And I'm really proud of myself that I just didn't give up, and I created something that everybody, or my naturalistas, can use daily, on a daily basis. I had women that have used it for twist outs, used it for the protective styling, and used it for a wash and go, and they all look phenomenal. So as I start to launch this, I would like to see people review this as they're using it if they decide to purchase it. But for now, I'm just going to do a how-to on my own hair so you can see just how well it works and how much it does for my texture. So I'm going to pull out a strand of my hair. I just got out the shower. I recently got my hair cut. I got like an inch cut off, and then I went behind the hair technician and I cut maybe another 1/4 to a 1/2 inch off, just because I went like a year and a half of not cutting my hair. And ladies, as much as I don't like trimming my hair, you have to trim your hair because these ends do become fragile and they become damaged. And when you don't trim it appropriately, that damage kind of rides up the shaft. And there was a lot of things I was doing prior to creating this product that was just bad hair care techniques. Because I was always on the go and I needed to hurry up and do something to my hair before I went to work. So oftentimes it wasn't the best thing, and I was a very lazy, how can I say it? I was very lazy in maintaining my natural hair. So I'm pulling out this strand from the back, and I'll also pull out a strand from the side to show you how well it works. This strand right here is slightly conditioned, but I'm going to show you just how well this product works as soon as you apply it onto the hair. You don't need much. What I was doing was twisting my hair. I currently can't do that now because I can't function. I'm only using one hand. I'm only able to use one hand because the other got injured. So just for this one strand, I'm just going to use like a dot of the product, and I'm just going to run it down the hair shaft. I'll use a tiny bit more. And it has very nice slippage. I wasn't really able to tell that I had damage to that ends of my hair until I went to the beautician and got my hair straightened, only because like this just helps seal everything. So you can see like where the hair just really, it returns back to like its immediate texture, like that nice coily flowy texture, and it looks very defined, very moisturized. This product leaves your hair feeling very soft and supple, and I'm literally able to just run my fingers through that. So I'm going to turn to the side, and it's not like I can zoom with this webcam, but hopefully you're able to get like a pretty decent shot. The more you just run your fingers through the hair with this product, the more you just see it revive. See your hair revive. So beautiful. So, as you can see, I didn't put it all the way down to the root of the hair. I focused more so on the shaft itself, but you can see that defined curliness coming back to the hair. And this is me. I don't have to add anything else to this. This is not ideal for people that have relaxed hair, only because this product is designed to bring back your natural texture. So it will try to revert your relaxed hair. So I wouldn't advise anyone using humectant type products on relaxed hair. And this is what this product reminds me of, more so of a humectant. So like I said, this is pretty much, you can still see the fuzzy part where I didn't apply product at. And that just goes to show like, this is how much definition is reincorporated back into the hair shaft when you use the product in those places. So I'm going to show you how I use the royal oil. So this is my royal oil. I follow behind when I do my twists. I follow behind with this royal oil just to seal the hair itself, just to seal in what I just applied, and it gives like a nice shine. You don't need much royal oil. You only need like a drop, and it goes in. It gives it a shine, and it makes it very soft. It has a very nicely scented smell. So This product is not going to overwhelm your senses. It's not. It's, everything in there is lightly scented. It has a very clean smell to it. So as you can see, that's me applying the oil, and it just really puts that luster back into the curl. And like I said, in this area, I didn't go all the way at the roots. I just started literally probably 1.5 inches down, 2 inches, just to show you the retainability in the hair shaft itself. And I'm going to do this back piece. Same back piece. I'm going to put some royal oil there too. Just a dot. You can't even see it. So ideally, I would say do a twist out overnight. Wake up in the morning. So wash your hair, do a twist out. Wake up in the morning and just let that twist out down after it dries. And you're going to see, you're going to have your desired results. Now, if you decide you just want to keep your twist in for a few days longer, or you wanted a protective styling, great. But I'm telling you, ladies, you can't go wrong with this product. So that's just the oil. You don't have to use the oil. It's not mandatory to use the oil after you apply this cream. The oil just has additive properties to help seal it. But like I said, this cream already has the liquid oil and cream incorporated into one bottle. Like I've been using this, and it has, I did like a hair growth challenge at that time. I think I was also taking hair vitamins in conjunction with that. But the hair growth challenge was for a month, and I had maybe about 3/4 of new growth, like 3/4 of new growth. And all I did was continuously do my protective styling with this product, seal it with the oil, and did my normal day-to-day functions for a month just to see how well this product was working for me. And I kid you not, if you go to my Instagram page, Elusive Exclusives, I do have a post where I showed how what happened during my month challenge. Ironically, I had men that were interested in my 1 month challenge, my 30-day challenge. They were like, hey, you know, today's the 30th day, where's the picture? And I found it funny, I found it really cute. But you can also use this cream on men. I have used this product on my 16-year-old son. He wasn't, how can I say it? He wasn't willing, but I forced him into it, and I applied it, had him use it for a week. He said his hair was much softer, manageable. He liked the product, but you know, he felt like it was girly, so he went back to his Murray's. But definitely can be used on men. I haven't really tried it with more like type 3 textures. I'm just a little concerned that this might be heavier. If you do have a type 3 texture, I would say don't use it as liberally as I would want like a type 4 textured person to use. So type 3 textures, as long as you're a natural texture, I think you can use this product. It's just you would need to use it sparingly. I don't think you would need as much. You already have the definition there. You already have the loose coil that you want. It's more so for like our 4A patterns that constantly have to deal with the frizz and the fuzziness, and you just want something more defined and something that really just makes your pattern pop. So that's why I like using my product. So like I said, you can't beat that. I don't have to go through 3 to 4 or 5 different steps that I've seen other women use when doing the lock method. I don't have to do any of that. I can wash my hair, do this, and even in my daily maintenance, I just add this product and it recoils, revives my curls, and I go on about my day. So I have posts on my Instagram page where I've worn my hair in a full ponytail and used this product, used the oil behind it, and it gave just a beautiful definition, nice flowing curls, and I did like a pineapple ponytail at that time. So definitely just go through my Instagram page if you want to see like different ways I've styled my hair in conjunction of using these products. They will be launching soon. I'm in like the finishing stages of making myself official. And if you're interested, you can go to my Instagram page. You can contact me through YouTube if you'd like. But you can go to my Instagram page and just DM me, and I'll give you all the deets on how you can purchase it. But I'm pretty excited to see where it goes. Like I said, I'm sorry I couldn't show you a twist because I can't currently twist my hair. My right hand is damaged. I'm right hand dominant, so I've been learning how to do everything with my left hand, and I've actually had to get help with doing my hair on a daily basis. I just don't have help today. So I hope this was just efficient for you guys to just show you like how much of it you have to use on your hair strands, how to follow behind with the oil. This oil, I'm also going to show you another great use with this oil. Right now my lips are kind of dry and they're slightly ashy. You can't really see that on the video, thank you. But with this oil can be used all over the body. It's completely safe, no harmful chemicals in it whatsoever. But I use it as a natural gloss. It's totally kissable. I just tasted it. It doesn't taste bad at all. It doesn't have a taste really, but totally kissable, and it just gives like a nice sheen. It absorbs. It doesn't absorb really fast. It does sit on your lips. Approximately the last time I wore this as like a gloss, it stayed on my lips for probably about an hour and a half until I started eating and drinking. But you can't beat that. It's really nice. So you can use this all over your body. Like I said, I use it on my nails. I use it on my toenails. When I don't want to wear nail polish, I wear nothing on there but the bare nail itself. Sometimes your bare nails look a little dry, a little brittle on the toes. So I apply that, and it looks like I put like a nice little top coat over it. So ladies, if you already have the royal oil, if you received that as a free promo gift, a sample, try this oil in other places besides your hair. I think you'll like it. And of course, apply it to your scalp. You can't go wrong with it. I love applying it to my edges, especially because I wear wigs, and it just helps with that tension along the hairline that come from wearing wigs or tractions from braids. Please, use this oil. The ingredients are all natural. You can't go wrong with it. Please, I'm going to post the ingredients on my site, on my PayPal site. Read those ingredients, because if you have an allergy to any of those ingredients, by all means, do not purchase my products. So if you have any questions, like I said, leave it in my comments. Go to my Instagram page, Elusive Exclusives, and you can DM me there. I shut down my Elusive Exclusive Facebook page. It's under construction at this point, but when I do open it back up, I'll be available there too. So thank you. Bye.